everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change your AOL mail account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to change your AOL mail account's password, first go to your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. If not, type in mail.aol.com and search. Sign into your account first by entering your credentials, that is your username, email or mobile number, and your password. Once you're signed into your account, go and tap on the Options button at the upper right corner. From the expanded menu, select Account Info. Go to Account Security from the left-hand side menu. Under How you sign in, you'll be able to see a Change Password link at the right corner. Click it on and type in a new password for your AOL mail account. Once you type in your password, you can double check by clicking on this eye icon. Once you're sure you've typed in the correct one, click on Continue. And there you go. You have successfully changed your password for AOL mail account. Click on Continue. Now next time you log into your account, remember that you recently changed your password for your AOL mail account. That was how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.